partner.
What you searching for, partner?
I've been gathering some flowers for my wife. She's waiting for me back in the cabin.
Well, that's very sweet of you.
And we've been together 50 years now, me and my darling Annabelle. She's always loved these wild fever few that grow around this place, you know. But she's getting on now in years, and it's hard for her to get up and about. So I wanna bring her a lovely bouquet for our anniversary.
I've seen quite a few flowers on my travels, if you'd like to help.
Oh, yeah. Listen, these old fingers ain't what they used to be. Yeah, I'd love it. Sure, bring me any pretty ones you find, huh? Don't let the grass grow under your feet.
Let's go! Let's go! Easy. Yeah! Yeah! Come on, slow down.
When you can ride, mister. You got it, sir.
I need a ride to Rio Bravo.
Might as well get some sleep, mister.
Well, hello.
If you don't mind, I'm very tired. Hey!
Howdy. No need to walk, mister.
Come on, fast! Come on! Come on! Fast! Let's go!
You ought not to mess with that Bellamy.
You'll need widows at home, Long. Turn around.
Yeah! Easy. Boy. Howdy. Easy now. Hey. Whoa. Yeah! Great. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa, easy. Yeah! This is just what I need.
direction. Fast! Work, you damn nag! Let's slow down. Yeah! Get in! Get off me! Ah, perfect. Come on, fast! There we go. Come on! Come on! Ah! Here's one. Fast! Let's go! Come on!
see you again.
Here are your flowers, mister.
Well, thank you. Not many around these parts that help an old man with such a task. Thanks again, stranger. Come on in, have some tea with me and Annabelle. I'm sure she'd love the company.
All right, maybe just for a few minutes.
It's my other half, lovely Annabelle.
Much obliged.
This man helped me find these lovely flowers, Annabelle. Not half as lovely as you.
Yes, you don't look a day over 30, ma'am.
Wait, it's the fine air and the good living up here in New Austin that keeps us so young and full of vigor. Annabelle was mentioning she wants to go up to Blackwater, ride one of those newfangled motor cars, huh? No bumpy old horse carriage for my angel.
Sounds like a fine idea. Well, I think I should get going now.
Well, you haven't had your tea. And Annabelle baked her special blackbird pie.
I'm sorry, mister. I guess I forgot I had an appointment with Planet Earth. Nice to meet you again, ma'am.
Oh. Stop by any time. Oh, we play bridge on Thursdays.
Come on! You have destination or you
I need to
just
go
want
to
leave?
Cooch Chapel.
You go to sleep. I won't have to listen to you.
No harm in a little nap.
Everyone get out of my coat. Getting in or not?
Where can he be?
Is everything all right, madam?
It's Miss. Oh. Oh, let me look at you. My gentleman caller. You remind me of my Peter. Have you seen him?
I don't think so.
Where is that man? We'll be late for the ceremony. He must still be at the saloon in Armadillo, talking to the musicians. He's such a fine man. Must be making things right for me, as usual.
Well, I gotta be going, miss. I'm sure Peter will be back soon.
Wait, I beg you. Would you possibly go fetch him for me? This was meant to be my perfect day. Please, sir. Something must have happened. I can't bear it.
All right. Sure, let me go see if I can find him.
Yes, please, sir.
See what I can do.
Oh.
Let's go! Let's go!
Leave, I'm sure you're doing the seats.
What brings you in here, partner?
Just so you know, I don't take requests, mister.
I'm looking for a man. Name's Peter. Fellow's meant to be getting married. You seen him around?
Who?
Peter. like I said.
You ain't after no Pete Turner, are you?
For all I know. Where can I find him?
Well, my memory escapes me when not properly stimulated.
Well, let's see if we can refresh it then.
$5 will do. Or you could run a little errand for me.
What do you need done?
It's my wife. She packed her things this morning and left me. The dumb wench is still at the freight station waiting for the stagecoach. If you could convince her to take me back. Her name's Rose.
I guess I'll have a talk with her.
Well, you'll need more than talk with that bitch.
I never.
Hello, miss. Rose?
If that useless, whoremongering bastard sent you, get lost!
Miss, please. If only...
You know what? Tell that bastard I ain't going back. Not this time. Not even at gunpoint.
You took an oath, miss. For better or worse. Way I see it, you should give your husband a last chance.
Stop bothering me, you dumb cowpoke, or I'll call the marshal.
Fine weather we having.
Did he put you up to this? What the hell?
Hola! You best go now. That stagecoach will be leaving soon.
This place is private.
Truth is, Pete Turner ain't been in Armadillo for near on 20 years now. Kind of a queer fella and all. Wasn't here every night. Sure as the moon in the sky.
What happened to him?
Well, what happens to all of us? I reckon you'll find him at Odd Fella's Rest. Yeah, that's where he'd be, I'd guess.
I wish I was dead.
¿Cómo estás?
Fast! Got you there, sir.
Really there? Hello? Hello there.
Howdy, miss. What are you doing out here?
I'm thinking.
Have I seen you before?
No, I don't think so.
Well then, look, are you sure you're all right, miss?
Yes, sir. I'm fine.
I don't think it's so safe out here, miss.
Oh, Jenny. You can call me Jenny. All right. I'm safe because I have faith,
So, Faith can move mountains. That's the whole point.
You're trying to move a mountain?
Oh, no, I can't do anything. But with Faith, I can achieve great things. I know that. I know it.
Look, you want me to take you back to town? You seem kind of unwell.
Oh, I get such clarity out here. I see things purely. The world is so beautiful.
They're full of things that'll kill you, including illness.
Nothing's gonna kill me, sir.
Well, you take care.
Let's go! Let's go! Get here! Come on, faster!
How can I help you?
All the best, sir.
I hope that helps.
Right, that's a lot.
Photographs of the park. Be well. Come by anytime.
Come on! Come on!
I need to go to Ridgewood.
Barb, if you go to sleep, I won't have to listen to you. Hey, stupid, this is the wrong place. You have destination or you just want to leave?
Get me to Cholas Train.
I don't mind if you sleep through this trip.
Miss Jenny. Miss Jenny. Don't look like the Almighty is much inclined to help you out here. Here. I got you some medicine that might do you some good.
Oh, heavens. Oh, praise you, Lord. I knew you'd save me.
Excuse me, ma'am?
You see, it was only through his will that you were ordered to save me. Tell me, were there angels in your vision?
Miss. Can I take you back into town?
Praise you, Savior. I knew you'd save me.
Will you come with me?
Oh, I'm fine here, mister. I'm in heaven. Heaven.
Yeah! Come on! Yeah! Faster! Yeah! Work your damn neck!
Hello there. Nice to see another sentient being out here. Name's Sam. Sam Odessa. Or anyway, that's the name they gave my grandpappy when he came across New York City.
Good to meet you, Sam Odessa. I'm Jack Marston. You a long way from home. Where you come from?
Yeah, well, it would be if I had a home to come from. Been out here for several weeks, or several generations, I guess. Would have made better time, but my horse came up lame a ways back. Trying to get to California. See the ocean.
I hear it's wet.
From the Black Sea to the Pacific in 3 generations. I'm gonna make something of myself there. I'm gonna find something.
I hear they've got a fine line in earthquakes. Maybe you can find one of them. Listen, Gaptooth ain't so friendly to strangers. I suggest you head back to Benedict Point before you run afoul one of the gangs who run around here.
Well, thank you very much for the kind advice, Mr. Marston. I appreciate it. Maybe I'll go get me on a coach. Just leave me be. I'm fine, honest. Don't you worry about me. I'll get there in my own sweet time.
Easy there.
You back again?
Hey, Sam. Sam Odessa? What are you doing? Are you all right?
Hey, Mr. Mansion, isn't it? Yeah. How you doing? Hey.
A mansion. I kind of like that. You okay out here?
Well, yeah.
Well, ain't you supposed to be headed for California?
Yeah, I found the coach wasn't so much to my liking. It was a little bit slow, a little bit predictable, a touch mundane. But these cacti are quite palatable.
I hope they are. Listen, you should find yourself a horse if you're gonna head west from here.
A horse is a very noble creature. Did you ever hear the tale of the horse who could do sums better than any school child?
I think I missed that one.
See, if I could have a trusty steed like that who could take me to the shining sea.
All right, Sam, listen. Now, California's in the west. You just follow the setting sun. It ain't too complicated, all right? You got it? Take care now.
Setting sun. I'm sure you got better things to do with your time than busting over.
Come on, faster! Whoa, now. Come on! Come on! up there.
Look who it is.
Hey, are you all right, mister? You don't look so good.
Why the shouting? Why the dancing? Why the laughter? I hope I die laughing, I do.
Well, keep this up and you just might.
My grandfather was a wise man who came from the east. He followed a star, and that's still me. I'm still following, still dreaming, still free. You can't cage us. We are above. We are above, and we're free.
Listen, mister, you really need to come back to town with me. You're not doing so well out here.
No. See, I was careless, sir. I understand that now, but I will find me my paradise. I will head west. I will.
Come on, partner. You probably just need a drink.
You stay away from me. You stay away. I will find me my California. I will.
You need help?
Hello, sir. You work with the government? You one of them agents?
Sure, son. Why you ask?
Did you work with a man named Edgar Ross? I have something for him.
Edgar Ross. No, but well knew of him. A fine man if he wanted results. Won himself a chest full of medals. I think he went and retired about a year ago. Last I heard, him and his wife moved out to a cabin on Lake Don Julio. Lucky guy, getting to take it easy. Beats fighting crime in this dump, that's for sure.
Well, thank you for the information, mister.
Still here? What's your destination?
Get me to Kill Rock train.
Keep it off, Brent. I'll wake you when we arrive.
I think I'll catch up on some sleep. Here we are. Need a ride, friend? Howdy there. Yeah!
Just passing through, are you?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hello, young man.
Hi.
What are you doing out here? Are you out visiting the lake with your family?
No, ma'am. I was looking to deliver a letter to Edgar Ross.
That husband of mine. That bureau just won't get its talons out of him, even though he's retired. Edgar gave them some of the best years of his life. They ought to let him retire in peace. They'll not rest till they've killed him with worry, and he's such a sensitive man. I'm sorry, I shouldn't get so angry. I don't suppose any of this is your fault. There's no need to worry about him nowadays.
Well, where is he?
He and his brother Philip went hunting on the south side of the San Luis River. Be careful crossing over. They were saying it was dangerous.
I sure will, ma'am. And don't worry about a thing. I'm sure your husband will be just fine.
Is there something else I can do?
Bastard!
Come on, slow down.
How do you do?
Hey there, mister. How's the hunting?
Well, pretty good, son. Got me a few rabbits, coyote, elk. Still looking for some trophies for the parlor.
I've got a letter here for Edgar Ross. You know him? I heard he was down in these parts with his wife.
Of course I know him. He's my brother. Gone down river, duck hunt. Must be a pretty important letter to have come all this way.
Oh, yes, sir. Real important. I'll be on my way home as soon as I deliver this message.
You best be off then. Just don't get on his bad side. He's got a filthy temper.
Work, you damn nag! Excuse me. You Edgar Ross?
Do I know you?
Forgive me for startling you, sir. I have a message for you. My name is Jack Marston. You knew my father.
I see. I remember your father.
I've come for you, Ross.
And you, boy, have sure as shit found me.
You killed my father.
Your father killed himself with the life he lived.
You killed him. I saw you.
You keep saying that.
You sent him to do your dirty work. Then you shot him like a dog.
And I'll shoot you like one too, you little piece of trash. Now get out of here before I kill you as well!
I ain't going nowhere, old man.